Hey, what's up guys? This is Claire and welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm gonna share to you how I add background music or karaoke in my OBS live stream. I'm also gonna show you how I sync up the karaoke to my audio input, which is my condenser microphone. So if you wanna know how I do it, then keep on watching. Hi guys! It's good to be back. I've been inactive for a couple of weeks, but I'm trying my best to make new videos for you. So comment your suggestions to the comment section below so that I can have like new ideas of what videos to make next. Also, please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the bell button if you want to get notified whenever I post a new video. So this video is requested. They've been asking me how to do it, and I finally get to do it right now. So, question is how to add YouTube music or background or karaoke in sessionslive.com. Okay guys, we're in my desktop and we're gonna let's open OBS and okay, so this is the last save settings. If you don't know how to set up until this point, you can watch my other videos. I explained how I set the OBS for Sessions Live up to here. I'll put the link in the description box so that you can check it out, okay? Just to recap, this video capture device, my video should be here, but I'm using it for another app, so it doesn't show, but just imagine that the video is here. Audio input capture is my condenser microphone, and the overlay is this overlaid image. Okay, so how to add a background music or YouTube karaoke video in your sessions live stream. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go here to add another source of like audio, and I'm gonna click audio output capture, and then I rename this as YouTube, for example. Alright, so I will choose speakers, and what this does is it captures whatever you're playing in your computer. For example, you can play an instrumental in YouTube, or you could also play through your default media player in your laptop or your computer, and whatever sound that comes out through your speaker, it will be captured by OBS and consequently be streamed during your live performance. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play a video from YouTube. As you can see, the level here is lit up, like it's fluctuating. It means that it's working, like it's capturing an audio output. And then you can adjust the level or the volume here. So one common problem with using YouTube as a karaoke or a background music for your streaming is the timing. It's not usually synced up with your condenser microphone. And to solve that, what I do is I delay my audio output capture, which is the background music. And to do that, I go to edit and then advanced audio properties. So this is your advanced audio properties, and what I do here is actually it's a trial and error thing. You should check what offset time is okay for you, but I do is I just put 100 or 150 sometimes, and I'll double check in my sessions live stream if it's okay, but usually 100 is okay. And then you close, and yeah, that's how I sync up my background music and my condenser microphone. Okay, so I guess that's it guys. It's a very short tutorial. I hope that it answered a lot of questions. If you do have questions with sessionslive.com, you just comment in the comment section below. I will try to make a video out of it so that I could explain it to you better. Yeah, if this video helped you, I hope that you like it. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you on my next one.